Okay, I am recording a trade
That
that I just got in here on the
changes
NQ.
is too tight,
I'm going long,
way too tight.
What's up, Steve?
so
Uh,
let's see what happened
I'm in
here.
Philly.
I got I got two contracts in. So basically, this morning this is when the market opened right here. Uh, about 9:30, the market went and tested this level of support, went to the next level of resistance, then came back down. Let me take out my fibs so this can be a little clearer. So I'm looking to, so I put my fib back on. From here to here, we have a retracement. Retracement all it means is the market went up and came back down. If it went down and came back up, that would be a retracement as well. So market is retraced to the 61.8 retracement and it bounced here. So once it bounced, I went long, and my target is the 100% extension. Again, I'm gonna take off the fib retracement and put the fib extension in so we can see what that means. It moves from here to here and then went back down. Hopefully, it will go to this extension level, meaning this leg will be about the same as this leg if this happened. So that's called a measured move. So actually, let me copy that, and I'm gonna paste it. So we're looking for a measured move here in the NQ. So because I don't want this video to be too long, it's been 2 minutes. So I'm gonna pause it and come back and with any development, anything that changes. Right now, market is kind of going. I'm not gonna move my stop to break even yet. I'd like to approach this support, this resistance level. Sorry, before I do that. So let's see what happened. You know. So let's pause this video for a minute. So we're taking a lot of heat on this trade here, but we're still in it. As long as it doesn't take out this low, we'll still be in this trade. So let's see what happened here. The new candle just started going up. So if it were to go up and take this high, then I'll tighten my stop and move it below this candle. Kind of reduce my risk. But as it is now, we're just gonna let it go and see what happens. Back with a little update. Yeah, this bar is turning bullish, so we may see a push up, but also there's still plenty of sellers in this market. So this might be a loss, but also until we hit that red line, will still be in this trade. So let's see what happens. So gonna pause for now. Okay, we're back here for an update. We're back to the positive side of this market. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reduce my risk. Gonna move my stop below this candle that's forming. Normally, I'd like the candle to be in before I do that, but market is going now kind of moving pretty fast. I mean, when you're trading the Nasdaq, like I'm trading now, you should expect some fast movements in this market. So if it does take this high, I'm gonna put the blue line right here. If it takes out this blue line, then I probably move my stop to break even, meaning at that point, this trade I won't be losing on it. As a matter of fact, I'm up 20 something points on this. Um, if you look look at point count. So about 20 some points. So I think it is time to move this to break even. It may come back and tag me out. Not break even, but I'm not gonna lose in this trade anymore. So let me do that. Oh, by the way, it's what it is. See the time down here. It's Monday 11.
Order filled.
It's Monday, September 25th, 11 o'clock in the morning on a Monday. I already said that. Alright, so let's see what happened here. Put this back here. So I'm gonna pause. Yeah, we're approaching that resistance zone here. So we should see some selling, some sellers coming in. But also, if this move to continue to go up, I think the buyers will step in as well. Be a big fight in that shaded zone. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it and see what happens next. So I think there you go. We should see that big push. Sellers are being run over by the buyers. We see all that green on the right side here. Buyers are really being aggressive. So I'm gonna capture some of it, some of this move. I'm gonna lock in some profits. I'm gonna go below this candle right here, and let's see what happens. If it does close above this shaded area, then I'll move my stop below the shaded area, which is the supply. I mean, this is a resistance zone right here, or supply zone. So yeah, there you go.
Stop filled.
If we get to that point, yeah, because it's moving with such momentum, so I'm not even gonna let it close anymore. I'm just gonna capture some things here and see what happened. Actually, it just happened to close, and will be closing in a few minutes. So this candle closes at 11:15. So 11:24. 6 more minutes. I'll be closing, and
Double cluster NQ.
I think I'm going to be trailing my stop a little tighter here. Or will it give me the full measured move? We don't know. So, but let's see what happens. Hopefully, we'll hit the profit target live. And what time is it? It's 11:18, Monday, September 25th. So we got about 11 points from there. So I believe what I'll do is I'm just gonna pause this video and see what happens. As expected, there's a big fight in this area between buyers and sellers. So I already captured quite a bit, about 40 points on here, close to 40 points. So let's see what happened here. I'm gonna pause the video again. Next time I'm gonna unpause it if it's about to hit my stop or my target. I'm back. Price is still fighting. I wanted to keep this video under 10 minutes, but if price goes above this line, which is the high, what I may do is move my stop below this low of this candle. So if it breaks it, which it may do at any moment now, I'm gonna have to capture a few more points here, a few more ticks. So I'm gonna pause that and see what happens. Okay, price here looks like it's approaching my stop, so that's why I'm turning.
Potential number 4 on NQ.
That's why I'm turning on my the recording. So let's see what happened here. There's, it's a round number. It just went below the round number, and here I think it may tag me out. So all in all, it's not a bad trade. I wanted to see the measured move. It looks like the measured move's not gonna happen. It's gonna tag me out at any time. It may tag me out at any time. So at the same time, it may not. You know, price got within. Let me see what the low on this candle is. So the low was 91.75. My stop was 91.25, which is 2 ticks. So you got within two, less than a point within my stop. Looks like hiding my stop below that level might work. You might not. So let's find out. Right now, there's definitely some buyers coming in, pushing the price up. So I'm gonna pause this and see what happens. Okay, I'm unpausing the video. Looks like the sellers are still trying to, take this market lower. But again, I already capture 158 ticks. So that's a pretty good day, pretty good trade. So if it happens to take this hit that's red line, I'm gonna be out of the trade with a nice profit. But I was expecting a measured move. It doesn't look like it's gonna pan out. That doesn't mean it may come back and tag me out and turn around and go lower. I mean go higher, sorry. So let's see what happened here. It's a big fight in this area. We know that was gonna happen. And also, when you hit this area, the people that were long here, some of them took profit. Some of them realized, okay, you know what, this is a nice supply zone, so I'm gonna try to sell here. So that's what's happening here too. So again, if I do break this blue line up here, I'll time my stop, because I'm sure there's a lot of stops for the people that sell here. All the stops are up here. So if we break this, we might see an acceleration toward my target. So I'm gonna pause the video. Video is longer than I
Order
than
filled.
I was trying to make it be, but again, the market, it's on its own timing. So I'm gonna pause this. We are approaching that line.
Order filled.
There you go. We should see an acceleration to the upside here, or it can turn right back around down. So because of that, I'm gonna move my stop up a little bit, capture a little more profit. Again, we should see an acceleration to the upside. Right now, you got within 5 points, or even less than 5 points of about 5 points of my target. So what I may do, point of control is over here for this candle. So I may move my stop here to, yeah, to retest of the high. Okay, I'm gonna pause. See what happens. Either it's gonna come back down and tag me out here, or take my target. Take me out at my target. So let's see what happens. Or hopefully we can see it live here. I'm gonna do my best to capture that. So definitely buyers are back in control here. Gonna pause it for a second. Okay, it's pushing back up again. Let's see. Well, what I may do is really reduce my risk completely here and move it below this gray line, which is the point of control of this candle. The point of control is only what it means is it's where the most contracts have been traded so far in this candle. So it has usually serve as a support or resistance. It's really not looking good here, even though our delta is still positive. But it may still tag us out. Yeah, I'm not gonna complain. 48 points almost. It's close to 200 ticks. So yeah, here's what I know. If I do get above this line again, I will definitely move my stop below the point of control. And let's see what happened. All I'm trying to do is just follow my plan. I don't want to be let the market tell me, you know, I like the market to tell me what to do, not so much my emotions. My emotions would be if you're trying to trade emotional, try to trade your P&L. You're like, oh yeah, I'm up this much. I don't want to give it back. Then fear is gonna set in, and then you just trade the plan. And sometimes the plan is gonna work. Sometimes the plan may not work. So. Let's see what happened here. Above this line, moving and yeah, it's a good sign. It looks like my point of control just went up, but it just went back down again. More and more contracts are being traded higher, which is a good thing. It's a good sign for this, but we don't know what's gonna happen. That's the bottom line. Okay, within 4 points here of my stop. Yeah, looks like it definitely was a retest. Looks like a stop run. They went up and took some people long. If you have your buy stop up here, they take you long and they turn it right back down for a reset. So either way, at this point, it's noon. It's almost noon. What, 10, 11, 11:50. So the European market is about to close. So if then I think they probably close. Let me look at on the other screen here where we are. Okay, this candle was a positive candle, even though it was like a hammer to the downside, but it's still a bullish candle, quote unquote, positive delta. So the sellers fought and fought, they couldn't bring it down past this level. So there's a chance they may go back up. So I'm gonna pause this video and see what happened next. Okay, I'm unpausing it. And that fight's still going on here between sellers and buyers. And we'll see. Okay, let's see.
Order filled.
I survived this one time. Let's see if it's gonna tag me out this time. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to trim this this video. Maybe not. I'm gonna pause it now and see what happens. Okay, less than 3 points to my stop. So if I get taken out here, that wouldn't be a surprise. You know, again, European markets are closing. For the most part, Germany is already closed, and UK is closed. The border Europe closed.
Stop filled.
So I just got stopped out. That's fine. And so if I get stopped out here, most likely we're gonna go further down for retracement. I think I'm done trading for the day. It wasn't a bad day. So see you next time.